welcome back raindrops. It is Ella. Today we're gonna be doing a beautiful dark colorful eye look. This is a halo cut crease. I don't really like to do them in my eyes because I don't feel like it makes my eyeballs look right. Throughout this video you will see. So first things first, we're going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills in the shade chocolate. We're gonna do our eyebrows. Me personally, I have to draw on my whole eyebrow because I do not have nice eyebrows. I never will, okay? So basically, we're really just going in and just drawing them on, you know, the usual. Draw them up, you know, fill them in, make them look longer and nicer and stuff, you know. Now that the eyebrows are drawn on, we are going to clean them up. I will be using my e.l.f. cream and contour palette. This should be a regular on my shelf because ever since I bought it, I literally don't use anything else but this. Sometimes other stuff, but preferably this. So I'm just going to take the lightest shade in here and clean up my eyebrows. You know, the usual. I don't like doing my eyebrows. I just wish I had no more eyebrows, really. I honestly do. Because you will see I mess up and this is a long process. This is the majority of my makeup time doing this. Right here. Literally. Next step, because I feel like my eyebrows were looking pretty nice on the monitor and in my little mirror, guess what? We're gonna prime the lid, and we're gonna prime the lid with the same stuff we cleaned up our eyebrows with, the e.l.f. palette. We're using that a lot. So basically, we're just gonna take any flat-ended brush and just apply it to the lid from the inner corner all the way to the outer corner. Basically, after that, we're just gonna go straight in with eyeshadows. So if you haven't noticed, that's what it is. We're just gonna use the same one like every other one. So James Charles, I really appreciate you for this palette, man. I really do. I do. So like I said, just prime the lid and then we're gonna go straight into shadows. Now that my lid is primed, I realize that my eyeballs are droopy. I don't know why. I don't like it. I really don't. So basically, we're gonna go in with the first little shade up in there. We're gonna go in with Daddy and Social Blade. So basically, we're just gonna tap this not in the inner corner, but above the inner corner, halfway to the middle of the eyelid. Only in the crease though. Only in the crease. That's all we're doing. And now that we have the green on, we're going in with the blue shade. Now we're going in with Cola. That one's gonna get tucked right at the end, right basically the end of your little wing for the crease. And then we're also gonna go in with Playground. It's a light blue shade to sort of blend it upward into the brow bone. The brow bone. Man, I can't talk. Alright, now this part right here is really hard. This part we're gonna go in with Spooky. And basically, I like to take a very small, very thin little winged eyebrow pencil, and I basically use it to apply the black shade into the cut crease because this is what's gonna deepen it up. Some of you must know how to do it better than I do. Y'all do y'all way. This is how I'm doing it. I did my other eye a completely different way too, because I was just experimenting with this look, really. So yeah, we're gonna take the little black shade, put it in our crease, deepen it up, you know, do the thing. Now, while I was trying to do the little black in the smoky eye, I realized that I have to put the shade B in my inner corner. It is a yellow, just because I know I'm going to want to blend it out some more later on. Now, basically at this point, I'm really just taking the color Spooky. I'm just taking the color Spooky and just putting it in like the outer corner of my eye and just making it into like a semi-wing, but not all the way out, because we're gonna add another color into the outside part to sort of blend. You'll see. I don't know how to explain it better than that, really. Now that we got the little black smoky wing going on, we're basically just going in with the escape. Yeah, we're going in with escape basically, and that's the one we're gonna put in the outer corner just to start blending it out. We're gonna make it into a little, it's a little colorful smoky. So this is gonna bring the little smoky, add a little bit of single up in there too, you know. At this point, we're really just going in to do the cut crease. I'm going in with Dermablend. I don't know if they still make this. I couldn't find a picture online. So we're just going to do the cut crease. This is a halo crease. So we're just going to put it right in the center. Sort of blend it out like a little spotlight, highlight thing going on. And since I was rummaging between my nameless brushes, I found this. It is broken. The brush is off the stick. Haha. Knee slapper. Anyway, I'm gonna still use it. I want to go in with 518 and basically just apply this and stamp that all over the cut crease. And now that we have 518 on, we're gonna go in with Rusted, so to blend this out with the Spooky on the inner and outer corner, you know, to create the halo spotlight crease, or I don't know what it's called. I know it's a spotlight something. Although in the picture it is matte like this, I personally did not like it. I am not a matte person. So what we did is we went in with the Too Faced glitter palette, and we went in with Fairy Dust, and oh, it's on. Oh, it's on? I think it's on. I don't know how I wrote it down. But basically that's what I put. I put the gold one all over the orange, and then I put Fairy Dust right in the center where I had 518 at, and just blended it. Now adding any wing, and then just apply some lashes, and that should be the top of the look. Blend it out with Punch Me if you feel like you need to blend out your harsh lines. Go back in, perfect anything you feel like wasn't right. I know I did that a lot with this look. I was very iffy on it. I really was, and I still went back and fixed a couple stuff up too. So yeah. And now it is me doing my magic of makeup little thing, because my eyeball on this side looks adorable. It really does. I was actually loving it once I popped on some lashes. And my baby eye. I have a baby eyes. I am a child with my nude face. Badass child. You see the difference? Anyway. Basically, I'm just gonna do the other eye and move on from there. Now to the face. First things first, we are going to prime. I'm gonna go in with my RK pore minimizing primer and just apply it all over the face like it's lotion. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, you know what I'm saying. So yeah, we're just using this and applying it on the face like a lotion. Now going into my very first foundation that ever matched my skin tone. We're going in with my Professional Kiss Pro Touch Drop Foundation, and I am in this shade Sun Beige. I can't say shade. Oh my goodness. Anyway, so yeah, just apply this on the face and use a booty blender, you know, to bounce it. Yeah. So I was gonna show it earlier and I forgot. So we're going in with my Pro Conceal in the shade Vanilla. I love it. It's blurry. You enjoy it. Everyone loves it. It's a good primer. I don't see why anyone could ever not like it. I really can't. So basically, we're really just gonna take this and apply this onto our under eyes, our nose, the bridge of the nose, our forehead, and above the lips. We also taking my CoverGirl and Olay Tone Rehab 2-in-1 foundation and 175 soft sable, and basically this is just gonna go around the face where the bronzer would go. That's all it's doing. So yeah, you're just gonna take a booty blender, you know, bounce it. That's it. That's all you're doing. You're really just setting it down just to blend it out. Now that it's blended, we are going to set it. So we are going to go in with my Pro Luxe powder in the shade Banana. We are going to use this and just bake our face, set everywhere else, and after that we're gonna go in with shades at the bottom of our eyes. So yeah, that's what we're using. You know, apply it all over the face. I like to put it in a little compactor, that way I'm not wasting it. So, you know, just, you know, bake. And now that we're baking, we're simply just gonna go and do the shades at our waterline. We're gonna use Escape on the outer corner. We're gonna use Skip in the middle to like right before the inner corner, and then we're gonna use B in the inner corner and just blend it all out from there. You can use Punch Me to, you know, blend it into the skin better. Now the next thing that we are going to be using is my Amuse palette. Now I understand that when I lift this up, it is upside down, but I will flip it right back over because I'm going to show you the blushes that I'm going to be using. I'm going to use those two. I'm also going to use the deeper shade in this to warm up my face a little bit more. I'm going to use the same highlight. I'm also going to use it from the Too Faced. I'm going to mix Rose All Day, Confetti, and Oh It's On, just because I like glitter. So I'm just going to add that up in there. And after that, I am just gonna go in and apply a little bit of lip liner and stuff, you know, make my lips look nice and pretty to match the look, you know. And that is the completed look. Thank you, Raindrops, for watching. Comment down below, subscribe, like, share, follow me on Instagram. I do follow back. Thank you so much for all the love. Love you guys. Till the next video. Bye.